Hi, my name is Mark Briscoe and I'm a product marketing manager with Tektronix. In this demonstration, I'm going to show how an AFG 31000 arbitrary function generator can be used to demonstrate FastAcq on a 6 Series MSO. For this particular demonstration, I'm using an AFG 31252 arbitrary function generator, and I have it connected to an MSO 64 via a 50 ohm BNC cable coming out of channel 1's output on the AFG and into channel 1's input on the oscilloscope. For the demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and use a saved sequence file, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the advanced application on the AFG and recall that sequence from the attached USB drive. Now, this sequence is designed to output a normal sine wave 50,000 times and then one with a few signal anomalies one time, and it repeats that sequence indefinitely. To actually output the sequence, I'm going to push the front panel run button, and you can see immediately the signal starts showing up on the oscilloscope. Now, the scope isn't particularly set up exactly the way we want, and in an effort to speed that up for the demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and recall a saved setup on the scope as well. Just going to double tap the one I want, and you can see now I'm seeing one cycle of that sine wave, and that's what we would expect. In reality, we think maybe something's wrong with this sine wave and we can't quite see it with the normal acquisition modes. So I'm going to enable FastAcq by pushing the front panel FastAcq button. Now, FastAcq is an acquisition mode that optimizes the oscilloscope for high waveform capture rate, minimizing the blind time in between acquisitions. And you can see immediately we see a signal anomaly on the falling edge of this sine wave. And the color grading is very useful here because it's showing the signal characteristics that are occurring often in the hot red and orange colors, and that's the trace of the sine wave. But we also see the signal anomaly in a blue or a cooler color as it's happening or occurring much more infrequently. Now, if we look close at this waveform, we can also see there's actually a little bit of anomaly activity on the rising edge as well. I can't really see it when I'm zoomed out like this, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that just by drawing a zoom box around that area. And you'll start to see that we can see there are a couple of small signal anomalies on that rising edge as well. FastAcq shows them very quickly. FastAcq is a great tool for discovering and identifying anomalous signals on analog traces that may not be normally visible under normal acquisitions. Color grading is great because it provides a qualitative view of just how often those signal anomalies are occurring. Now, in this demo, we are also demonstrating a unique capability of the AFG 31000 to output sequences of waveforms.